Here is our math lesson for today. It's 13.2, page number 647. You remember yesterday we talked about how tall or short things were. Today we are going to talk about how long or short things are. So you should have your page that looks like this, the length sorting cards, all cut out like I do. And we are going to compare and sort each of the items to this pencil here. So see the pencil in the middle of your paper? Okay, my kitty is playing with the die over there. Come on, Zane. All right, back to work. Let's start with this picture of a glue stick. Let's look and see. Is the glue stick longer or shorter than the pencil? You have to look really hard because they're about the same. But if you look closely, the pencil is just a little bit longer. So I'm going to put it over here on the shorter side. All right, we have a table. Compare them. Okay, see how I'm evening it up on the end? You can tell easily that the table is longer. And I think this is an eraser for the board. Let me make it even. There's the eraser on the pencil. And this is a chalkboard eraser. Which one is longer? Yep, the pencil is. So this eraser goes on the shorter side. All right, we have a school bus. That one's easy. Longer or shorter? You're right, it's longer. And how about this crayon? Which one is longer? Pencil. So that means the crayon is shorter than the pencil. Goes over here on the shorter side. We have a chalkboard, just like the one in our classroom. Okay, I bet you know where it goes. Yep, it goes over on the longer side. So there it is. Okay, move your items out of the way. Flip your paper over. In our directions up here in the box, take a look. Here is Newton, and he's saying longer, and Descartes is saying shorter. So we are going to be circling the longer items and slashing the shorter items. So take a look at the watches here. We have two watches, and see how they're lined up on the end? They're even, so that you can easily tell which one is longer. Circle the longer watch, slash the shorter watch. All right, look at the tennis shoes. Circle the longer one, slash the shorter one. Okay, and the question says, are they the same length? Are they the same? No. So you are going to circle thumbs down. All right. Little green apple number 1. We are going to circle the item that is longer, and we will slash the shorter item. You go ahead and do number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Circle the longer item, slash the shorter one. All right, you should be finished. Should be pretty easy. So here is the longer item. The spoon is shorter. Straw is longer, spoon is shorter. Look at the scissors and eraser. Scissors are longer, eraser is shorter. Look at the snakes. You have to look closely. You see that they are almost the same. But you can tell this one is longer. You should have circled it. This one is shorter. Okay, now look at the pencils. Here's a long pencil. Here's a short pencil. Does yours look like mine? Flip your paper over. All right, our directions say draw a string that holds fewer beads than the string shown. Okay, so up here on the top, we are going to draw a string that will hold fewer beads. What does fewer mean? You remember? Yeah, it means a little bit, not as many as what would go on this string. So when we make our string, it needs to be shorter. Here's a shorter string. It would hold fewer beads than this longer string. Okay, now down here, see their string? We need to make a string that holds the same number of beads as the string shown. The same number. So that means your string needs to be equal. The same. Let's see if I can do it. Should I stop here? No, keep going. All right, now I'm going to check with my finger to make sure they are the same. Did you make them the same? So then we should be able to get the same number of beads on both strings. Okay, so take a look at your homework. Look up here at the caterpillars. We are going to circle the longer caterpillar just like they did, and I want you to go ahead and slash the shorter caterpillar. All right, look at the branches from the trees. They slashed the shorter one already. You circle the longer one. I want you to do both directions. Okay, so on number 1, go ahead and circle the longer item and slash the shorter item. Same thing here. Circle the longer item, slash the shorter item. Number 3, you're going to do the same thing. Circle which one is longer and which one, and slash the shorter one. Same thing on number 4. Number 5 and number 6. Are these brooms the same? Are they the same length? Thumbs up if they are, thumbs down if they're not. How about the trucks? Are they the same? Thumbs up if they are, thumbs down if they're not. Number 7, draw a string that holds more beads than this string that's shown. So you need to make your string so it will hold more, a greater number of beads. Then flip your paper over, make sure you have your name and number written neatly, as beautiful as you are. Put it in your red homework folder. I bet your homework folder is getting quite full. All right. I'll see you next time.